To use LIFELINE-S battery adapter with your DJI drone, you will need to select non-DJI battery with the DJI Assistant 2 software. The full video is available on the Lifeline website. If you are using a cardiac pacemaker, do not operate the LIFELINE-S due to the high voltage. Insert in the battery adapter and connect the tether cable. Secure the clip that is provided to the drone. Next, connect the batteries in sequence from left to right. Then the power plug. Now your drone is powered up and ready to fly. In very hot weather conditions, the battery adapter may overheat if the drone is on standby mode for an extended period of time. Power down the drone if necessary. The recommended maximum wind speed is 8 meters per second. Roll out the cable as the drone ascends. Allow some slack on the tether cable according to the height of the drone, so it doesn't affect the drone movement. However, too much cable will also add unnecessary drag and load for the drone. Moderate your drone speed and watch out for any obstacles during the entire operation. Good cable management will ensure a tangle-free and safe operation. Moving the LIFELINE-S with the drone is simple. Monitor your battery levels. The onboard battery monitoring system will automatically trigger an alarm when the level is below 20 volts. When you finish your operation, remove the power plug, then disconnect the batteries in the reverse sequence from right to left. Now, you can disconnect and remove the LIFELINE-S battery adapter. Plug the battery and balancer to a lithium polymer charger. Set it to 2 amperes, 6 cells. It takes about 2 hours to charge each battery.